Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm going to be reviewing this, which is an AI recorder. And basically it can connect to your phone and it will record your phone conversations, but also it can be used as like a dictaphone, and it will, you put it on the middle of the table and it will record the speech around you. And you can drop it too. And if you want, it will transcribe the recordings free of charge. It uses an AI transcriber, and it will do 600 minutes of AI transcription per month for free. You get that within the cost of the actual product. If you need more, then you can pay for more service, more than that, but that's going to be plenty for me. But it's got a 92% accuracy rating, and it's just and it's got access to 102 different languages, so it's pretty versatile. I got this off of AliExpress, and I actually got it for cheaper than the actual cost of the one from their actual website, which I think is really cool. But I'm just going to do a quick review on it. I won't be able to connect it to my phone full time at the moment, so I'm going to have to adapt a case for it, but that will be a project for the future. Before I get on, I'd just like to thank my Patreons. Guys, you're awesome. Darren, you're rocking, man, and I really appreciate all the help you've given specifically to you, to the channel. If you'd like to join them, all the links are in the description. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, the mysterious brown box that it came in. Here is what we're dealing with today. And this is an AI recording device. And let's have a look at how much it was. It was £27.47. I don't know. Don't ask why it's 47, not 49 or 50 or whatever. But let's have a look. Let's have a look. Okay, so there's nothing on the back, nothing that says anything. And it's by Focus Rec, as in Focus Recordings, I would advise. Now there's the old, the wire we love to respect and expect. What are we going to do with that, eh? That is the best bit of cable I've ever seen. This is something else. I'm not kidding, guys, come on. Now, this is the usual cheap one you get, but at least I can't hold all that just in my hand. That's brilliant. Okay, now number one, it's much smaller than I thought it was going to be. In fact, let's not ruin it. Let's get the instructions out first. Okay, I will say the instruction manual looks like it's quite comprehensive, but it doesn't mean it's any good. So we will have a proper look at that in just a second. Let's have a look. When using as a regular voice recorder for normal recording, please keep the back side facing up and avoid covering the microphone holes for cleaner audio recording. Okay, and then this has got a do's and don'ts section, which again I will have a look at in a minute. Okay, now this is to stick on the back of your phone so that you can actually stick this to the back of your phone. It's like the doojit on the back of an Apple phone, which is, I think, pretty cool to add because I have Android, so I don't have that. This is getting smaller and smaller and smaller. When I first saw this, I thought honestly it was about this big, but that is the size of it. I'm not surprised that the wires are get off. The wires are small. It's just so silly. But I'm hoping that doesn't mean that you plug one end into this and one end into your phone to record. But it's fairly small. Come on. I know you're trying to record back. There we go. So I think this is the connect button. This is the on button. But we will look into that in a second. But I think this is pretty cool, actually. And then... Oh, nearly lost it then. And then that would clip like that. And it's a fairly strong... Wow, okay. That was stupid putting it there. I will try and... There you go. Oh, I didn't think I was going to be able to get that off. Right, let's have a look at how this works. Let's have a look through all of the information. And let's see if this is any good, shall we? So far... I am pretty impressed with it. The fact that it's smaller than I thought, I didn't check the size, it was my own stupidity. But also the fact that it came with this, I didn't think of, everything else. I will say that really does let it down. I swapped out my old case for a new one, which has a little divot here, which I thought I could put the magnetic bit there, and then I could actually have the call recorder here, or the AI recorder here. But I did think that it's got gaps here. I didn't think it was going to vibrate through it and record very well. So I'm not even going to bother. I'm just going to put the magnetic part on the back of the phone, and then I'm going to, whenever I need to record it or whatever, I can just whop it on. Jobs are good and Fanny's your uncle. So I'm going to clean this up and I'm going to stick it down. Right, so next we're going to put on the little magnet doohickey, and I'm just going to whop it around there, to be honest. Scientifically accurate whopping. Right, what I'm going to do, I shouldn't have taken this bit off first, but I'm going to stick this here, and then I'm going to decide where this goes. I'd say about there's enough. Now, I am taking this phone apart soon to fix the camera. Something went wrong with it. I swapped out the lens, but unfortunately, I swapped out the glass, but unfortunately some glass had got into it, or something had got into it and scratched the lens, and it looks like, every photo I take, it looks like an 80s dream scene from, you know, from a love story. So, a bit of a pain, but such is life. But there's that, that's all set up nice, and there it is. What I'll do now is I will do some tests with it. I will record a few calls of like friends and family that allow me to, and then we'll see how, first off, how well it records, and secondly, how well it transcribes. Right, I'm going to do a recording, so all you need to do is plop this on, press this button, and now that is recording, because the flashy light, wherever I put it, this side, got a blue light. So I'm going to make a call. Hello, young man, how you doing?
I'm good, you're up?
Yeah, I'm doing well. I'm just testing it first off on speakerphone, then I'll turn you off speakerphone and I'll test it like normal. But everything okay, we just got to make some form of conversation as if to be cool as heck. So yeah. Okay, right, I'm going to turn it off. Now I need you to talk a second.
Hello, 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 hello.
Hi, could you do the alphabet for me?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Nuss. Right, okay. Now I'm going to go off on normal phone. Okay, now talk to me again, my friend.
Hello.
Hi. Could you again do the alphabet?
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Could you now tell me your favourite Bible verse?
Philippians 4:13.
And what is that?
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me.
Nice. Love it. Perfect. Yeah, thank you. That should do. I appreciate it.
Alright, cool.
Love you, babe.
Love you, bye-bye.
Bye. Okay, in the app, we can now transfer the files. So what you need to do is you need to press this button here. Press and hold. Vibrates again. Now we come to here. Oh. And there is the newest one here. So I'm just going to press download. And it downloads pretty quick. And we are nearly done. Okay, first off, let's look at the quality of it. Oh, and it's through my headset, so I'm an idiot. Right, let's listen to the quality of it first. Put it this side. Got blue light. This is because I'm moving it around, obviously. Let's skip forward.
Do the alphabet for me. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q,
So his
R,
is
S,
actually
T,
better than my
W,
voice
X,
here.
Y, and Z.
Right, okay. Now I'm going to go off on normal phone. Okay, now talk to me again, my friend.
Hello.
So this is normal without the speakerphone.
Do the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S.
One of my favourite things for this, though, is this. The transcribe button. Whoops, wrong one. This one. Start transcribing. In English. Now this takes a couple of minutes. It's not a major long time, but it does say you don't have to wait here. Let's move that out of the way. Let's go there. So you press back and you'll see it spinning here. And we just wait. There you go. Now, if we go back into it, it's now got all of the things that we've said. And when we press play again, let's skip forward. Let's jump forward a bit.
You've got to make some form of conversation as if to be cool as heck. So yeah. Okay, right. I'm going to turn it off. No, I need you to talk for a second.
Hello, 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 hello.
I've just seen something come up with Elemento.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Yes. Right, okay. Now I'm going to go off on normal phone. Okay, now talk to me again, my friend.
Hello, hello, hello.
Could you again...
And as you see, that is following the conversation in red. There is summarize and mind mapping it. Summarizing it, you can do it into all different things. It's a very, very, very good system. It uses ChatGPT, I think. But I really, really enjoy it. I think, I really, really like it. And it works really, really well. 600 minutes free, bargain. Okay, so the only negative for me is the fact that, you know, I'd need to adapt a case. Now, that's not a problem for me. I will design something and I will probably laser cut it out of an actual case and then sort of stick it all back together. So I've still got the protection of the case, but I've got the versatility of the actual recording device. But all in all, what it does is very, very good. It works well, it transcribes accurately, and I actually really, really like it. So it's definitely worth getting if it's something that you think you'll find use for. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you again soon. Bye for now.